Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, featured in Sting Gray with a black interior. Under the hood there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include Bluetooth, navigation, adaptive cruise control, Sirius XM, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, as well as powered windows. Some storage below here, and we can take a look at the seats with Rubicon station at the top, and just to the left we have the seat adjustment, and we can hop inside here. Just to the left when we get inside we have our lighting controls with the dials. We can go ahead and turn it on. There in the middle is our cluster. To the left of the steering wheel we have our cluster controls with the hands-free Bluetooth, and to the right we have our adaptive cruise control. We can take a look at the infotainment screen here and check out our audio options. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM. We can also connect a phone using Bluetooth, an aux, or one of the 2 USB cables. We can check out the navigation here. Pretty straightforward. And of course check out the backup camera. Just below that we have some of our climate control features, including the heated steering wheel, heated seats for both driver and passenger. And below that we have our traction control, parking sensors. And then again below that we have our front and rear powered windows, a 12-volt plug-in, and of course our USB-C USB plug-in with the aux cord. In the middle here we have 2 cup holders, and here's the center console. We have a storage compartment above, as well as one that goes deeper below with a USB plug-in. Here we can take a look at our rear view mirror. And of course here we have our SOS, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Of course we have assist steps going up to each door, black mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. Of course we have a spare tire on the back, and we can go ahead and open this up here. Very spacious back here, but of course if we want to lift this up we can get some more storage. We also have a 12-volt plug-in here. Very spacious. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with some storage below. Here are the seats. Then we can hop inside. Of course we got handles on either side. Magazine holders at the back of each seat. Dome lights at the top, as well as our speakers at the top here. At the back of the center console, here are the main rear vents. Here are the powered windows, and of course we have 2 USB-C and USB plug-ins, as well as a 3-prong plug-in. If we take a look in the middle here, you can pull this down to reveal an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.